The original Bigfoot cabinet. Look at that bad boy. So that one's got a 14 gauge steel boltless racking system inside. It also has capability of stacking tubs on top of it without it collapsing. Next to it we have a workbench that I got a nice TV to watch stuff out here when I'm messing around. But anyways, that's how that system looks. It's a little bit different. This one has barrel hinges, and then as you can see when I open the door here, this particular one is made out of steel. And those tubs are stacked high. There's 30 pounds in each one of those tubs, and there's 9 tubs up there. I believe that's around 270 pounds. This is what the shelves look like. They may bow, but I've never had one snap, and I've sold $5 million worth of this stuff since 2017 in the metro Las Vegas area. Now, this here, like I say, that's the original Bigfoot cabinet. You can see underneath there, it's got leveler system underneath, so we can level it out as the floor pitches down. They're good looking cabinets, they're sturdy, they're way heavy duty. And this particular cabinet right here, this cabinet, the whole section, in order to assemble that cabinet hardware wise, it comes 80% put together. All the hinges are on the doors, all the nuts and screws are on the doors. The only thing you have to do is put on 12 nuts and washers to attach the 4 doors. The sides are already put on for you, and we have the legs on for you, although you may have to change them if you have a big pitch on your floor, but we send you other legs.